Hello. So in this video, I am going to talk you through the bespoke code that is in your specific template, the Matriarch. Now, in order to view this code, you will need to go to Design. You will need to go to Custom CSS. And this is where all of the custom code, well, the vast majority of the custom code that is in your site is. So in order to view the site in a better view, I would open it in a new window. And you'll be able to kind of see it expand out. But first things first, here's what you'll be able to see. You will notice on your site, especially on the homepage of the Matriarch, that there is an accordion here. Now, this isn't a standard accordion page that comes with Squarespace. This is coded, so it has a beautiful image behind each accordion. The image has been uploaded into the back end of Squarespace, and basically the code has been used to add it here. Now you will see here that I have added on each bit of code, there's a little title between two slashes, and that kind of tells you what that bit of code does. So this one is for the accordion blocks. The next one down is the background image on buttons. So I'm going to go through these two first, just so you can understand what they do. Now, if you do not want background images on your site and you just want normal coloured buttons, in all honesty, you can just take these two slashes here and put them right at the end of the code, or just completely delete it. So yeah, that's a quick way to kind of get rid of it. I'll show you how to do that here. Look, so if I just delete this, and it goes, and then you've just got normal accordion pages just there. Pop it back in, then it comes back. So how do I do this? So there is a little bit of code here that tells you SQS block accordion, which is this, and it basically says I want you to put a background on it, and you need to put the URL for the image. If you want to change the image, you will need to find an image that you would like. I would recommend something that is more of a kind of closer pattern, so you don't lose what the image is, and you will need to upload the image. Let me just move this out of the way. You'll need to upload the image right at the bottom, right down here in Manage Custom Files. So upload the image here, and you will find that the image will then just upload itself. What you will then need to do is, where it says URL here, between the brackets, delete this, because that's the link to the peonies here, and then go down, find your Manage Custom Files, and then just click on the image that you have uploaded into your custom files, and it will automatically just put the link to your image there, and your image will be in the background there. And it's very much the same for your buttons as well. So the buttons across the site, I've put the URL for that image, for the peony banner image, is in there. And again, just take it out if you don't want images on those buttons, or if you want to change the image, then you just do what I've just shown you for the accordions as well. Now with the buttons, I've done it for each button style, so you will see here that it will be the small button, there's the medium button, and there is the large button as well. So it's all three buttons that we have this code in. Now, what I've also done is I've done the same in your header image. This has a different classification. So it's there for the header image background button as well, and also the background button on the newsletter blocks, which is down here. This is your newsletter block here. So it's the very same there. Once you've changed one, you'll be able to change them all. And if you have any kind of form on your page as well, which I think we do have in your About page, not your About page, sorry, your Contact page, you'll notice, yeah, the button there as well. So wherever it says button in your code, every single button has been coded to have this background image in there as well. Now, what you also have is this navigation here where the line stretches out. that is coded in as well. If you don't want that, if you just want nothing, by all means just take this out. But it actually here is where we would choose the colour for that navigation. At the moment we have the navigation colour set at white, but if you change it to your brand colours, choose one of your brand colours, the hex code for that, and then just pop it in here. You can change the thickness of the lines as well, which I've put to 2 pixels. You can the width says 0, which is just automatic, and you can change the margins as well. You also have your cookie banner as well. Your cookie banner is also kind of coded, so you will need to go in and to edit the colours. The font styles will just be whatever your default font is. If you've put your fonts in, it will come up as that. And you can actually change kind of the border radiuses and everything in there as well. You can change the background colours of your cookie banners to make sure that these are on brand here. Wherever you see a hex, that's a colour, and it will tell you in your code here. So background colour is, and there's the hex code. And then you've got the banner buttons and the font settings as well. So this is essentially how to navigate the code in the back end of your site. You don't have to have this, you could just take it all out if you so wish. But these are just tweaks that I've made to give you an epically beautiful site. If you are struggling with it, drop me a DM or raise a ticket with the support in your my Epic website course. And yeah, we'll get back to you and help you out.